Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Lively English Language. I am Uzma. Viewers, today we have the lesson number 11 and our topic is very interesting, use of the. And in this lesson, you have to learn more about the sound of the and the use of the with the examples. Before learning, kindly subscribe my channel and like it. And okay, we start. First, we have to see the definition. The definition is the is used to refer to specific thing. Okay, specific thing means the particular thing. Whenever we are going to indicate something and we have to have the thing, we use the. Suppose here example, give me the pen. You can see properly the pen in the green color in your hand. It means मुझे वो पेन चाहिए जो कि तुम्हारे हाथ में जो आपके हाथ में है. Give me that pen. The other example is the fish. The fish I ate refers to a specific fish. The fish I ate means that fish which I ate. The other example, the house he built. The house he built means that house which he built refers to a specific, actually refers to a specific house. The other examples are there in green color. You can see before a singular or adjective, before singular noun or adjective, we use the. जैसे I am giving example, the lion is a fierce animal. Before lion I put the. The means because here is adjective fierce. Fierce mean dangerous. And the other is before a noun which is the only one of its kind. Like there are many things which Allah made in the world and they have their own kind, like earth, stars, moon. Before them we put the. Okay, the other example, like the earth we say the stars, the moon. And the other example here for you, before names of seas, river and mountains, like when we are going to tell about some like mountains, Himalayas, the Himalaya we called it. Okay, other example before adjectives in superlative form, countries, holy book, like wherever we see the superlative degree like the biggest, the cutest and the tallest, we say it with the. Countries name, the Pakistan, the United States of America and other countries, like holy book. Here whenever we are saying, we are talking about holy book, we put the Quran, the Bible and the other one. And now come to the point, there is sound of the, where we call the whenever we see the word which starts from vowel like A, E, I, O, U, we call it the. Like I am saying the angel, okay. And the other example about the sound, where we see any consonant words which start from the non-vowel sound, like the book, the coconut, so we put here and we call it the. Till then, other new informative videos, keep watching my videos and subscribe it. Allah Hafiz.